Hello and welcome to Leons.lockpad. We got a nice little kick cylinder today. And we're going to pick. It is a. Let me have a look where we got it from. I know where I got it from. I just forgot to put it on there. It's called Gone Fishing, and as you can see, it's a Trekmaster symbol. It's a Trekmaster lock, trekmaster30. Please go and check out his channel. Great guy, makes some awesome locks, really great videos. Like I say, it's called Gone Fishing. There's the bitting. A little bit of a hang up, but we do work, which is good. Before we start, if you're new to this channel and you're into lock picking and that, please check out www.uklocksport.co.uk, and if you like what you see in these videos, please subscribe, which is down here, and click that bell icon. I do try to make 2 to 3 videos per week, and if you go to about my channel, there is a really big list of YouTubers out there that are lock pickers, and absolute great guys. Loads of brilliant videos and lots of stuff here, from beginning to intermediate to professional, all different types. Community out here is absolutely awesome. So yes, we'll get this sorted. So let's get this picked. Give me a second. There we go. Let's get this. Nice and tight. It's a deep keyway. Very, very deep keyway. Sorry about that. Homemade tension wrench. It is a oh, sorry about that. If it's a Alec key or an X key, grinded down, and a deep hook that kept from Trekmaster. So I'm picking one of Trekmaster's locks with his own pick. I think it was a click off 4. A little click off 3. A click off 5. A little click, a little bit of rotation. I have to hold this back just a tiny bit. Oh, we've got a nice fault set going there. A little bit of rotation, but don't know what that one's doing. Got that. No. Let's go to the very back. Let's see what we got. Oh, some more road. Oh, yeah, no. That's definitely. So there we go. Some counter rotation then on that. Lost my fault set, but that doesn't mean that's all bad. There we go, got it back again. Alright, deeper fault set, just keep on this for a second. I'll readjust this because I don't want to lose that. There we go, we're in again. Let me very close, like that, hopefully. And then let's have a look what we got. Nothing on 2. We've got something on 1. I've definitely lost my fault set. That was a really deep counter rotation then. Oh, got it back again. And I nothing on 4, 5 and 4, sorry, nothing on 3. A little bit. Oh, and there we go. That was really deep on number 1. Right, let's get the pity tray. There we go. So, get rid of a little bit of dust. Right, now I don't know if I'm going to need a... what I'll do is, in 1 second, it's under here somewhere. I think I'm just going to use a pinning shoe on this one. Because, there we go, I don't know. Right, let's get the back off. Aha, tweezers should do this a bit easier. There we go. Yeah, just make sure we don't lose that pin. There's the pin. Now, the spring in that. No, it don't want to come out. There we go. Just double making sure that the spring does not want to come back out. Oh, no. I completely ballsed that up. Wow. Wait a minute. Aha. Well, let's just... Yeah, I've completely messed that up, but let me just save the springs in the order they went. So the back one, what was the next one? That pin, I know for a fact it came out of there because I can see where it's just come from. Let me just get this. And there, yep. Oh, right there. There's one staying in. That's good. Right, let's get the follower. Yeah, it got really caught up on that one. And that's why I couldn't. Let's have a look. Ooh, now that should be meaning. I forgot. There's the wafer. Top of this pin. And like I say, there is one more screw. There's one more spring I'll gently take out. He's the missing one who goes there. And we have one more slightly deep one. I'm going to leave him in there a minute. Let me just put these in the order. We're missing number 4. We're not missing him. He's there. Let's see what we've got in this now. So, got serrated. Another serrated keeping. Another serrated keeping. And ooh, a spool keeping. Right, let me put these the right way. There we go. Right, let's have a quick look. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4. All 5 chambers are threaded, as you can see. Aha! There is. Goes there, and we've got our spring. He's hiding. There he is. A tiny little thing. There we go. We're all together. I'm just having a look inside there. We've got absolutely nothing inside there. It's all standard. And there's the core. And let's have a look at these pins. As you see, we've got a wafer with a T-pin right at the top. The long one, well, it's like half a spool, if you get what I mean. That was your really deep fault set. You got your spool with a serrate in the middle, which was causing that fault set. We've got a very nice, it's like a, well, yeah, I'd call that a serrated spool. We've got a serrated standard driver with the serrates in it, and we've got another driver with very fine serrates on that one. As you can see that now, yeah. And for the key pins, we have got, let's have a look. Yep, serrated key pins. This one's like a spool, like half a spool keeping. This catches up twice. You can see where it catches up there, and it gets caught. It's going to catch you there. And then we've got another one there, and then we've got a steel spring. We got a copper spring. We've got a small copper spring, tightly wound. We've got, that's a brass spring, and we've got a very small steel spring. Well, I enjoyed that. That was a nice lot. It was very deep fault set, that last bit. It did work a treat, but you had to really, basically my elbow when my wrist was like touching the bottom of the table, just to think it could be my vice being higher for it to work properly. But I'm going to, because some of these driver pins fell out, what I'm going to do is I'm going to send Trekmaster, if you watch this at all, please let me know which order the last 3 pins go in. I caught the other 2 out, which wasn't so bad, and then hopefully put it back the way it was undone. Well, thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe. Bye. Don't forget to like.